Struggling to be consistent with creating content? Well, you are not alone. Consistency is one of the biggest struggles that affiliate marketers, or really all online entrepreneurs, have when they are just getting started. It's Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and the bad news is that consistency is crucial to your success. In order to grow an audience, to get views or traffic, and to get traction coming out of the gate, consistency is key. But the good news is that with implementing some of the daily discipline with a schedule that I'm going to help you create right now, you can totally crush this. A friend of ours just grew his stagnant beginner YouTube account by over 90,000 subscribers in less than 6 months, simply by being consistent and showing up to create content every single day. And while you by no means have to create content daily if you're just getting started, I hope it opens up your eyes to the power of consistency and daily actions in your business. All right, in order to be consistent, you really need to treat your business like a job. Okay? Otherwise, activities with the kids, long hours at work, just feeling tired or not with it, they will throw you off course, okay? So treat this schedule like your job. If you fail to do it every single day, you are going to be fired. Period. So you have to find ways to make that happen, even if life gets crazy, because there's a guarantee that at some point it will, even if that means staying up late nights. You gotta make it happen. So start with the end in mind. How much content do you want to create each week? And we're talking about true content like YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, not just, regular social media. Now, especially if you are just getting started with this, it really needs to be a reasonable amount of content based on the amount of time you have to put towards this every single week. So if you can rearrange some time and get 30 minutes every single day towards creating content, excellent. You can probably start with creating one piece of content a week, which you can gradually increase over time as you become more efficient. So you've got 3 hours a day that you can put towards creating content. Awesome, right? Maybe just starting out, go for 3 pieces of content a week, but working towards getting up to that daily goal after you get used to doing just 3. So let me give you an example of my personal schedule so that you can wrap your heads around it and you'll see how it works, and then we'll get into creating yours specifically. So Sunday evenings, after I put the kiddos to bed, I take an hour to an hour and a half and I decide on the topics, all the topics that I'm going to cover that week, and figure out the names for them as well, okay? So I'm currently doing daily videos, so that's 7 videos for the next week. I gotta come up with what it's gonna be about and also what the title is gonna be. And then on Monday, I create a bullet point outline or script for each of the videos. I also publish a video that I had finished and created and gotten ready the week before. On Tuesday morning, I publish the final video that I prepared from the prior week. And then I get my makeup on, do my hair, and I shoot all the videos in one batch. So I do all my video shooting in one day, and it saves a ton of time. I also take the video that's gonna go out the next day, so on Wednesday, edit it up as needed, upload it to YouTube, create the thumbnail, get it ready to publish the next morning. Wednesday morning, I publish that video, that's all set to go, and I work on preparing the videos for Thursday, Friday. Thursday, same thing, publish a video, work on the next videos, and I repeat this thing for Saturday and Sunday. And I'm working ahead as I can so that I've got videos ready to go for Monday and Tuesday as well, because those are my creation days and I need to focus on creation on those days instead of getting those videos up. I found that batching my video, it saves a ton of time. Okay, there's been all kinds of research that tells us that we waste a lot of time whenever we switch tasks, okay, jumping from one thing to the next. It's something that's just hardwired. It's how our brains work. You're going to waste time if you're jumping from one thing to the next. But if you batch your content creation, you can keep your mind flowing on what you're doing, and it's gonna work much more efficiently. Plus, as a busy mom, I don't have to take the time to be camera ready every single day, which saves a ton of time, okay? So let's say you're going to be doing one piece of content a week, maybe a YouTube video. So what would that look like for you? Maybe Monday, you decide on your topic, right? And what your title is gonna be. Tuesday, you create your script or your outline. Wednesday, shoot the video. Thursday, edit your video as needed, upload it, create your description, and set it to private, so it's not published yet. Friday, create your thumbnail and publish your video. This really all comes down to the amount of time that you can allocate towards creating content. Then you simply figure out what are the steps that you need to do to be able to publish your content. Then you'll just lay it out, guys. Put the pen to paper and create your plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. writing this down makes it real, okay? It's something tangible. It's something tangible that you can hold yourself accountable to. Now, I'd love to hear any tips that you have as well for managing your content schedule. Be sure to share below, and folks, make sure to read them, as we've got some pretty sharp folks in the community, and you can learn from some stuff from them as well. Now, if this is your very first time here, welcome. We'd love to have you subscribe, because we are here to teach you the most effective strategies to build a successful online business to get the time freedom that you and your family deserve. We'll see you soon.